Hello everyone. In this video there are 4 individual lessons on phrasal verbs with the words take, keep, go and put. You can skip to any lesson with the timestamp provided in the description. Here are all the lessons in the video. Take off. Take off. Meaning to leave the ground and fly. To leave the ground and fly. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. Take up. Take up. Meaning to begin a new hobby. To begin a new hobby. Some people take up yoga to aid relaxation. Some people take up yoga to aid relaxation. Take down. Take down. Meaning write down spoken words. Write down spoken words. I need to take down notes for the class. I need to take down notes for the class. Take on. Take on. Meaning to accept a job or a responsibility. To accept a job or a responsibility. Don't take on more than you can handle. Don't take on more than you can handle. Take in. Take in. Meaning to comprehend something. To comprehend something. He found it difficult to take in the situation. He found it difficult to take in the situation. Take out. Take out. Meaning to remove something from a place. To remove something from a place. It's your turn to take out the garbage. It's your turn to take out the garbage. Keep off. Keep off. Meaning to not touch something. To not touch something. Please keep off the grass. Please keep off the grass. Keep away. Keep away. Meaning to avoid something or someone. To avoid something or someone. Keep away from the doors while the train is moving. Keep away from the doors while the train is moving. Keep on. keep on, meaning to continue doing something. To continue doing something. We'll keep on driving while there's still daylight. We'll keep on driving while there's still daylight. Keep up. Keep up. Meaning to move or progress at the same rate as someone or something else. To move or progress at the same rate as someone or something else. You're walking too fast. I can't keep up with you. You're walking too fast. I can't keep up with you. Go after. Go after. Meaning to try to get something. To try to get something. I can't decide whether to go after the job or not. I can't decide whether to go after the job or not. Go against. Go against. Meaning to oppose or resist something. To oppose or resist something. This misbehaviour will certainly go against his chances of promotion. This misbehaviour will certainly go against his chances of promotion. Go back. Go back. Meaning to return to a person or a place. To return to a person or a place. I must go back. I've left my car keys. I must go back. I've left my car keys. Go along. Go along. Meaning to go to an event or a place where something is happening. To go to an event or a place where something is happening. I might go along to the party later. I might go along to the party later. Go away. Go away. Meaning to leave a place or person. To leave a place or person. I think we need to go away and think about this. I think we need to go away and think about this. Put on. Put on. Meaning to start wearing something. To start wearing something. I put on a new pair of socks. I put on a new pair of socks. Put off. Put off. Meaning to delay something. To delay something. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Put in. Put in. Meaning place inside. Place inside. He was put in prison for theft. He was put in prison for theft. Put out. Put out. Meaning to lay something out ready for use. To lay something out ready for use. Have you put out clean towels for the guests? Have you put out clean towels for the guests? Put across. Put across. Meaning to explain an idea in a way that is easy to understand. To explain an idea in a way that is easy to understand. He was trying to put across a serious point. He was trying to put across a serious point.